Hope Uzodinma bombardment in Imo State, especially Okigwe. They say many people now don't dey homeless because of wetin Hope Uzodinma don do for im own people. Let's go and look into the things wey Hope Uzodinma don do for Imo State. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first day they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Here we tell you whatever we want to tell you with no fear, with no looking at your face. We are here to speak the truth. The governor of Imo State will be Hope Uzodinma. We are here today to show you the places that Hope Uzodinma have ordered the Nig Army to bomb, and how our people has become homeless today. The villages has run, abandoned their home because of whatever Hope Uzodinma is doing to his own people. And nobody want to come outside and tell this man to stop this intimidation that you are giving to your own people. We are going to play this video to watch, and after watching the video we'll come back and continue. Stay tuned and watch this video.
Look at it, everything about this room. You can't cook. About here. The passage eye. Record. Okay. The whole lie. Where? Lie bagog. Look at it. Okay. Kebori bosan. Kebori ja. Jaja. This side. This side. No. Okay. No. Yeah. That's how it is. So I'm antipala. Nawashana. Okay. Look at it. I go lie you. Go lie. I want to jaja. Look at it. Okay. Go our house. Look at it. Go lie. Everything we've got. See to that. Like where? Alright.
No. Can't hold on my son. Everyone not hold on my son. Everyone. On a good. All day long, everyone hold on. Johnny Bauchi. Chukumata. Can't catch Chukumata. Everyone now. Very good. You can see it. Everyone. No, can't come on this one. Okigwe or whatever. This is the house. One Okigwe. Okay, yeah, I don't get on. Whatever. You know the house. You know that. Ghana. That's what you go down. This is the house. I'm going to go and ready. I need to be seen. About all of the people now. We are going to go. At the complete house. About a little all of the people now. So my room on the rest and now. Come on, don't anything. You know, Mama, you could machine halal. I didn't have ever. We didn't see anyone. I want anything single something out there. Any other. About a little all of it. The house was damaged. Everything. No single thing. Come on. Thank you.
Ma akwa eziokwu akwa eziokwu efe enye nkwa to ụlọ a na-ekwere ọkụ ma nke fide nke fide na ese arụrụ ala ya mma ụlọ gị agwụla ekwe mma gị na ya na-asọ ndụ.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, this is what Hope Uzodinma have done to his own people. This video you are seeing here is not one family, it's many family. So we are going to leave the names, is many, uncountable, that because of your selfish interest, you have rendered these people a homeless. Take a good example of the former governor of Anambra State, which is Will Obiano. We shared this video yesterday. Yeah, Will Obiano, instead of white man now to be racism, Will Obiano now his own people there don't even want to have a handshake with Will Obiano. You people mindset, like I said it yesterday, was, oh, once you finish, then you will go to US or any European country to buy a property and live there. Then when you die, they bring you home. You are not capable to do the work. Then why have you stepped out to do the work and to kill your own people? The money that the state has will be enough to build your state like a London. Rather, you people will come because of political issue, and you people will start destroying the one that they pass. If you hope finish building your own, when another governor come, you will still destroy the one you build and start again. This is nonsense that we need. Must look at a very nice status they have known so many junctions with. There's no accident happening there. Motor are moving. When they get to roundabout, they run slowly and pass the roundabout and go wherever they want to go. You come, the money you used to destroy that thing, you will use it to build other good things in Imo State. And you come, you start demolishing everything. Now, the non-government will come to one village and attack and go. You will not give order to go and bomb the villages. What of if they come attack from your own village? They have done that so many times. How many times have you bombed your own village? Hope Uzodinma, I'm asking you. And the people will come outside and start talking rubbish on the internet. Uzodinma, you see, I don't know where they rent all those stars that come outside. Uzodinma, to get our governor. Look at what you have caused to people. Okay, when you finish bombing the house, you are chasing criminals. What have you done to make sure that these people are not homeless? This is how people are creating the monsters that we are seeing today. My people, na so we see them today, and also we take talk. Share this video and make sure say you subscribe to this channel. Make sure say you follow our Facebook page. We will see you for the next update. Thank you.